Hi folks, welcome to another technical video from AA Silencers. The vehicle you can see behind me is a late model 322 Range Rover Vogue. What we've got problems with on this one is the what's called a fuel burning heater or auxiliary heat. Now what this is designed to do, you can have it so it comes on when you kick the engine in to get it, obviously the engine warmed up quicker. But moreover, this one also has what's called remote heat. So you can set it through the dash and set it to come on at a certain time. So you get in your car in the morning, it's all nice and warm. Or hit the remote control on your keys and that actually will kick it in, manually when you want it to do. Unfortunately, this one's had a few problems. So we're just in the process of working our way through what's going on with it. Now, this is some of the testing we've done on this this system. What we were concerned was that you could hear the coolant pump running and you could hear the air pump running, but it wasn't actually kicking in and producing any heat. Now what you're looking at here, the blue line is actually the command signal to turn the heater on. The green line there is the glow plug current, and the red is the fuel pump output. Now that's obviously coming from the unit, and as you can see there, it's getting a command to turn on. The glow plug lights for a very short space of time, and then unfortunately there is no output whatsoever to the fuel pump. All this is controlled internally. We've done all the external tests, we've made sure it's all powered up, etc. So unfortunately this unit is going to have to be replaced. Now this is the auxiliary heat unit we're talking about, made by Webasto, but specifically for Range Rover. You can see your coolant pipes here. Now at the moment those are warming up because this is just kicked in. What we've actually done after a great load of testing, as you've already seen in the video, that unit there has actually been replaced with a used item, purely because the customer for this particular vehicle didn't want the expense of over £1,000 of one brand new from Range Rover. You can see the exhaust system coming down here and that. What we're looking to do now as well is to use a thermal imaging camera, and you'll be able to see on that, you can see the heat from the exhaust, Luke, which proves that the actual burner unit is operating. We can also tell, if we're going a little bit closer, that the coolant pipes are also getting hot. Now this is the same trace with the new, or the replacement auxiliary heater. Again, you can see the blue line is a command signal to come on. Green is glow plug current, which as you can see there, lasts for much, much longer. And the red is your fuel pump. And you can see that after approximately 30 seconds, the fuel pump actually starts to run on this one. We flick to the next screen, you can see it running more and more and more, and as the heater warms, you can see an increased demand for fuel. That's exactly what you want to be seeing. Obviously now with the replacement unit in place, all we're going to do is test it, make sure it gets hot inside the vehicle.